another new thing that we're trying today. Hot and spicy hot pot soup base. It says it's refreshing and non-greasy. When I saw this package, I'm like, oh no, because that's too spicy for me. But my husband loves trying new things, so we're gonna add this to our menu of things to try. He did add 4 cups of water to the soup base. With 4 cups of water, he brought it to a boil, and we are adding chicken. It says on here suggested ingredients: beef ball, Moudon, and needle mushroom. Now I've never heard of this before, never had it in any Asian restaurant or Chinese restaurant, but some of the things that you should know is that it is high in total fat, but saturated fat is about 6 grams, trans fat, sodium 1,420. Oh my God. The sugar and the protein are limited as well. So this is a high sodium product. So let's see how it tastes with the chicken. This is what it looks like when it was cooking, and it does have a lot of oil base to it to me. So I'm not really fond of oily foods, but the oil base is really liquidy per se. So we tried it with a little chicken. This is a little piece of chicken here. And all honesty, I can see where it might be good, but it's a little spicy for me. And it's not one of my favorite things that I've purchased. So my husband is really, really easy to please, and he wasn't too fond of it either. It's just really, really hot for me. And so it wouldn't be something that I would necessarily purchase again, but I can see where we'd be good. I did look it up on Amazon prior to purchasing it, and it had a lot of rave reviews, but I guess it's to each his own. So we love trying new things, but no thank you. Today we are trying Miss Tabitha Brown's wonderful collection that she has available at Target, and I picked up the vegan sweet potato and cauliflower ravioli. It's made with cashew cream and some other ingredients, and I had already opened up the package because I was just like so in a hurry to try it. But it cooks for 5 minutes, and it needs to be fully cooked. Let's just see some of the ingredients that she has in here. I'm always interested in looking at the package to see the calories because that's so important to me, being that I am not on a diet, but I'm trying to maintain my weight. So total package calories is about 460, and that's if I'm going to eat it all up, but I probably won't. I'll be sharing it with my family. And also sodium is something I've always looked at, 290 milligrams, so that's not a lot. And the saturated fat is low to none. It's actually no saturated fat, 2.5 grams of fat. So I'm not going to get extra hip by eating this, okay? Dietary fiber is important to me. The carbs is important, 34 grams. That's a little higher than I wanted, but let's see how it tastes. I'm excited to try Tab's food. Again, sweet potatoes, wheat flour, cornstarch, all the other necessary ingredients in there. So I am going to boil this for about, let's see, how long does it say? 4 to 5 minutes. I actually let my water start for about 4 minutes, and then I put the pasta in and boil it for about 4 to 5 minutes as well. And I also got this right here. This is about $7.99. Again, Tabitha Brown's vegan based sausage with mango and basil. This sounds delicious. 15 grams of protein, 5 vegan links in here. It does need to be fully cooked. And what's interesting to me is made with pea protein. I've never heard of pea protein. So this is something new. I'm not necessarily going to be a full vegan, but I am interested in trying things to be healthier in this new year. Calories 170, so little to no calories with this. The total fat is really not really high, 11 grams. The sodium 520. Dietary fiber, the protein again, which is really important to me because I need as much protein in my diet as I possibly can get. So let's see what's in here. You got sunflower oil, mango, coconut oil, water, pea protein, salt, and spices. You have the garlic powder, which I put on everything that I cook, onion powder. So look, I might not have to add it. And then chili pepper for a little tang and a little spice. It says to cook for about 10 to 14 minutes. So I'm going to put it on a skillet, and I'm going to actually dice it in half or dice it in small slices so that everybody can get some, and we can mix it with the pasta and have a great super meal. So stay tuned. So I'm putting the pasta in the water to boil with the salt already in there. So we're going to go ahead and put all the links in here, sausage links, and I'm going to let them cook a little bit before I dice them up. And I'm going to leave that in there. The instructions said about 10 to 14 minutes. The pasta over here, I don't want to stir it too much so they fall apart, but getting done for me. Then I got the sausages over here cooking as well. If y'all can only smell this through this phone, it smells so good. So I always like to add a little onions to my sausages for some smothered onions and peppers. Oh, yum. It's smelling pretty good in here with the links, sausage links, and peppers and onions. About ready. So I got the sausage links in here with the peppers, and it is cooking. Give it a few more minutes here before I take it off. I love how pretty the peppers are with the meat. It just gives it a lot of color. And I love my food to be pretty. Everything is done. I got the ravioli right there, as well as the sausages with the peppers. And we're going to taste and see how yummy this is. It smells really good. The sausage, really good, especially with the peppers and onions. Really good. Yes, go out and support us with stuff because it is well worth it. I would definitely be buying that sausage again. The pasta, good as well. Alrighty then. Until next time. Today we tried Remedy Organics, which is a cacao essential, 16 grams of protein, almond milk, cacao dates, ashwagandha, maca, prebiotics. It's 100% plant-based, dairy-free, vegan, gluten-free, and non-GMO. And I love it, the slogan on it. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. I love that it has almonds in it for heart health, hemp seeds for brain health, cacao for antioxidants, maca for energy, ashwagandha for immune health, prebiotics for gut health, protein for muscle recovery. As a woman over 50, all of those things are very important to me, and not to mention that some dairy products are really does not settle well with me and my body. So I tried this today and I am very pleased with it. It is simply delicious. I love the fact that it's smooth and silky. Yum.